It's Mike. I'm back. I got some more prepper stuff coming your way. One of the things that we did buy was this. So this is the KYNG power portable generator, and it costs a little bit. It's between $600 and $700. And of course we got it on Amazon. And so its lithium battery capacity is 10.8 volts, and it's 540 WH. 3 ways of charging mode, built-in lithium battery, the emergency power supply for outdoors. You can use it outdoors, you can use it indoors, you can use it outdoors. Alright. Comes with power cord, so you can plug it in your wall and charge it. So if you find out there's a storm coming or a hurricane coming, get it charged up. Make sure it's good to go for when it gets here. This is going to be for your solar panel. Yeah, it hooks up to the solar panel too. So that's great, because I can just throw it out on my roof after the storm. Keep it charged up. Keep it plugged in. Should be good to go. And there it is. It's got 2 plugs on the front. It's got a bunch of USBs. Let's see if we can get it to come on. So right now, I try to keep it charged at 99%. But if there's a storm coming, I'm going to put it back on the charger, get it all charged up, make sure it's 100%. So, this is your solar panel. Car charger. That's for your solar panel. Plugs into your. You can charge a battery. It's got little battery cables. It's got any kind of adapter that you want, that you could think of, that you need to plug something in, it will work. These are in case you need to hang it up somewhere. Got a USB. And in the pocket is a plug, so you can plug the generator in. These are really nice solar panels. It's actually 4 of them. 4 different solar panels. They're kind of heavy. Throw them on the roof. You're good to go. Plug it in. Throw it on the roof. Plug it in. Folds back up nice and neat. Put all your stuff in. Make sure you got it. Like I said, it costs between $600 and $700. But when you need it, like you see, it's probably been in the closet for about 6 months now. And I pulled it out, and you see the charge on it. It's already at 99%. So that's a good thing. So you can get this on Amazon. Amazon, get everything on Amazon. Amazon. Get this on Amazon. Make sure you're ready. Make sure you're prepared. Winter storms, hurricanes. There it is, $5.49 on Amazon. And it's KYNG. KYNG. So thank you for watching me. Please subscribe. Please like. And I'll see you later.